punch. I'm gonna be using it to shake it up with my ammos in it. 1 cup of vinegar, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of dish soap. That's all it is, and 4 cups of hot water. Okay, it's very important to wear gloves because you want to keep yourself safe and your family safe. You don't want to get the lead on your hand so you get lead poison or other chemical hazard on the bullet shell. But these are the item that I bought, put it aside just so that I can use for my ammo. I do not bring these back in the house. Okay, here I got some brass that I cleaned last time that I soaked overnight, which didn't work. I soaked it with vinegar, laundry detergent, hot water, and salt. As you see, some of the bullets are kind of bluish. I don't want that. We got some shop brass over here. Some used brass that I'll be cleaning. It's good enough. All you need to do now is just close cap, shake it up. So the best results part is 30 to 40 minutes. Shake it up every 5 minutes. 40 minutes. So I'm gonna sit here and wait for 30 minutes while I'm gonna keep shaking it. Shake it up real good. For 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now. I emptied this in the toilet where it was safe. Make sure it was safe. Touching nothing on my way out here. Wow, I'm impressed. This batch turned out better than the other batch. As you can see, there's a couple pink ones in here, rose gold, but the rest of them turned out pretty good. I'm gonna try to clean them up, keep them dry, but overall, it turned out pretty good. That's how you clean your brass after shooting them from the range. So I'm gonna do some epoxy on it and make a bullet table. Thank you for watching. I'm out for them. I'm out.